Hi, this is the Pocket Studio Sessions. I'm Dan, and welcome back to Summer Band Camp. In today's video, we'll be going over the second ukulele part for the opening of my song. If you've already been through this lesson, go ahead and skip to the playthrough at the end. This second ukulele part is just a little lead part in the second half of the opening. So for the opening, we'll play the same 4 chords as the first ukulele part, which are C major 7, A minor, E flat 7 sharp 5, and G major 7. We'll play that progression twice before moving on to this little lead part, which will be in 4th position to start. We'll be on the 3rd string, our first finger on that 4th fret, and our pinky, our 4th finger on that 7th fret. We're also going to be palm muting for the opening, meaning we're going to take the side of our palm, place it right on the strings, right in front of our bridge here, so we get that nice muted sound. If you've got some quacking, your hand's too far forward, and if you just hear an open string, oh no, you have to move your palm forward. So we're going to play down, up, down, lift. So 7, 7, 7, 4. And we do that twice in a row. The rhythm is a little bit funky, so I'm not going to go over the counting for this one because it's a little bit challenging. Instead, just listen to the backing track and play along. But for our purposes right now, just getting the mechanics down, we want to do 7, 7, 7, 4, rest, 7, 7, 7, 4, and then a longer rest. We repeat that. So we do that twice. And then it's followed by these little offbeat accents, these little thirds, these dyads, and they sound like this. The first one is up in 7th position, our first finger on the 7th fret of the 1st string, our second finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. And we're going to play staccato. So we're just going to have our pick right on that 2nd string, strum down and through, and then use our palm to quickly mute those strings. Same follows for the next little dyad, which is back in 5th position. First finger on the 5th fret of our 1st string, 3rd finger on the 7th fret of our 2nd string. Move that shape back 2 frets to 3 and 5. Then we're moving back to 2nd position, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. All together. And then there's just a little lick at the end. It's going to slide from 3rd position, so ring finger on the 5th fret. We're going to slide from 5 to 7. And then 1st finger, 5th fret on the bottom string to end it. I'll put that all together for you slowly. So that's the first time through. Second time through, exactly the same, save one thing. At the very end, we're going to have this little high slide from the 7th fret up to the 10th. So I'll play through the first part for you, which you already know by now. Everybody I'll watch on YouTube is Canadian. Do you have the same thing?